To start the synchronization process using our Dentrix connector, first we are supposed to go to the app marketplace, search for our Dentrix connector and have it installed to our respected location. I am currently working for the Aura Dental, for which I have installed our Dentrix connector and added the custom menu link for the same. On the left side, on clicking on the custom menu link, our application will open. We will now supposed to do some configuration step. For the step 1, we are supposed to enter the subdomain which will be sent to you via email by us once the application has been installed. Below it, we have the time zone. The time zone of the locations which we are configuring and having it connected to the PMS. It should be the same as the PMS server's time zone. On clicking the submit, we will be redirected to the step 2, and these are all the modules which we have. So first, the providers. In this, we have the option to sync all providers or just the custom selections. Selecting the option for the custom provider, we have the multi-select option, and these all selected providers will be synced as users and displayed in the My Staff menu in the GHL. Below it, we have the option for the patients, and in this also you can have the patients to be synced from 1st January 2001, or you can just select the custom selection for the patient's date as well. For now, I have selected to sync all patients from my PMS from this date. Below it, we have the option for the appointments. On the left side, we have the PMS operatories, and on the right side, we have the CRM calendar. Initially, the appointment will be disabled. Once all the patients and the providers will be synced, this option will be enabled, and we are supposed to have the PMS operatories mapped with the CRM calendars. Now, for this, these are all the operatories which we have in our Dentrix. So these are all the 4 operatories which are being displayed in our PMS operatories here. And on the right side, we are supposed to have the calendars created with the respected providers which are our users in the CRM, and clicking on submit, we will be redirected to the field mapping. Here we have the field mapping for the providers. Here is the field mapping for the patients. So in patients, we have the option for the custom field mapping as well. So if there is the field like gender, but we don't have any field for genders to be mapped, so we can just click for the custom field and have the custom field of the gender created in the CRM using the custom menu, and that will be displayed here. And on clicking the ID and having it pasted here, it will map the gender property of the CRM to the PMS property, and accordingly the data will flow. Clicking on the submit, all these will be saved, and the last step will be the system configuration. These are all the configuration which you can refer. You can have the video paused and have the look to it, and have it configured to your respected location which you want accordingly. Now, once all this process gets completed, the synchronization process will start. The process which has been completed or ongoing will be displayed here on our dashboard. So for now, we have 4 providers synced, 82 patients and 83 appointments. So for the providers, we can have the providers viewed by going to the My Staff. So we have 4 of the providers synced. Let's see. Okay, so these are all the 4 providers which has been synced from our PMS to the CRM. Now going back, we have the contacts. We have 82 contacts synced as mentioned in our dashboard. So these are all the contacts which are our patients. Let's view in the Dentrix. This is my Dentrix UI, and in here we have all these patients which has been synced. Let's search for Mary Jones. Here it's Mary Jones. So this is how all the patients will be synced as contacts. Moving forwards with the appointments, going to the calendars and appointment lists view. These are all the appointments which got synced. Let's view this. These are all the appointments. In the same way, all the future appointments for this particular Dentrix instance will be synced in this respected Aura Dental Care location in the GHL. And yeah, this is how our connector app syncs all the required data, and it will be displayed in here. Thank you.